What if we told you a masterpiece was born in just 45 days? It started with a shared ambition to create something extraordinary. In just 45 days, that ambition became the Manufacturing Xperience Center. 1 year on, MXC has evolved beyond a product to become a significant advancement in the industry. We've hosted 105+ prestigious customers and partners, each collaboration fueling our drive to push boundaries. This is more than technology. It's about people, ideas, and a shared pursuit of excellence. MXC is proof that when passion meets purpose, magic happens. And this is just the beginning of what we'll build next. Get ready for the next chapter. MXC 2.0. Bigger, smarter, unstoppable.